gorgeous people. This is Amazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found my channel. I like to do fashion and craft DIYs and all kinds of other fun stuff. So if you like this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video. Okay guys, in today's video, I am finally, and I do mean finally, doing that Harley Quinn look that I promised you guys with the inspiration came from my KLL Fandom monthly subscription. They did a Harley Quinn theme, and I thought, you know, I should start dressing up like these characters just for fun, just to show you guys what you can do with this stuff and maybe day-to-day wear. However, this look will not be your day-to-day wear. Just saying. I mean, I went hard and strong with this one to try to duplicate it as much as I can, but it's still an inspired by look. It is definitely not exact by any stretch of anybody's imagination, but I tried to do the best I could with the supplies that I had at my house. I was not going to go shopping and buy stuff just to do this look because it's not something that I would wear all the time or even dress up for Halloween. I'm just saying. I just want to have fun with it. I was inspired by the KLL Fandom monthly subscription, and I'm going to do the Rainbow Bright one very soon, so stay tuned for that. I also have a collab coming up where we're going to do various different themes each week for Halloween looks, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. That will also have a giveaway. This is my birthday month, so I will have a big giveaway maybe the middle to the end of the month. I'm not going to do that at the beginning, even though that's when my birthday is. I'm going to do the giveaway more towards the end of the month, so make sure that you stay tuned for that because I'm going to try to make it as good as I possibly can. We'll have to see how things go. All right, guys, that was all over the place, so without further ado, let's jump into this Harley Quinn look. Okay guys, so here I am. I already have my foundation on. I did my eyebrows. Awesome, right? And I put some blush on. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with this Moon and Child Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that I got from Life with Lotus. This is a highlighter palette, and I'm going to go in with the Blue Moon and the Pink Heart colors to set my eye primer. I like to set my eye primer with highlighter. I dropped my brush, which is totally awesome. But that's just the way that I like to do it, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and put the pink on what will be the red side of this look, and then obviously I'll go in with the blue for the blue side. And a little tip that I'm about to show you is I like to clean my brush with the foam that used to come in the BoxyCharm boxes. I always saved it and I used it as a brush cleaner in between colors. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Blue Moon color, and I'm going to slap that on the other side, and then we're ready to start doing the eye look. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this Pac-Man palette that I got from Jean Louise. I love this palette. I use it all the time. We're going to go in with this blue color, and guys, this is a deep blue color. So I take a deep breath because I'm a little nervous as to how this is going to turn out. So I go ahead and go on my lower lid with the, with the dark part, and then I'm going to blend it out on the top part so it's a little lighter at the top and then darker at the bottom. That's the look that I was going for. And then I thought I was going to go ahead and do like a really dramatic kind of a look and go crazy and put the blue all around my eye. And you're going to see me do that, but then after I looked at it, I was like, okay, this is way out of control crazy, and Harley Quinn's look isn't like that anyways, but I was just going for like an inspired by look, so it was okay to do that. But honestly, it looks like somebody punched me in the face, I don't know, about 30 times. So I was like, okay, let's not do that. So I decided to wash it off, but you won't see that in the next clip, but later on in the video, you'll see that I decided to take that off. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this Beauty Vault palette, and we are going to use a red color that is in this one. It's called, Scented, I think is what they're calling it. Whatever, it's red. So obviously I'm going to do the exact same thing with this eye that I did with the other eye, only we're going in with the red. So I'm trying to go really deep on the lower lid there, and then I'm going to try to blend it out as much as I can on the upper part of my eye. I did struggle with this one a little bit more than I did the other one. The Pac-Man palette seems to be a better formula because it went on nice and smooth. This one I was struggling with it, but I eventually got it to work. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use this lipstick, and I don't even know what it's called, guys, so I can't even tell you, but whatever. I really do like it. I think it came in my Luxury Divas box. It is such a nice, creamy formula. It goes on really good. It's the really bright red that Harley Quinn wears on her lips, so I thought this would be the perfect lipstick to go with. I really like it, though. Look at that. Wow! I mean, that is red. Hello! So I'm trying to get it off my teeth, and I'm doing like a terrible job, but I eventually get it right. So now I'm going to go in with this Cab Cosmetics lip gloss, I think is what I'm trying to say here. Look at how much of a difference that made. I was like, bam! I mean, that is super cute. I like it a lot. So, there you go. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. I'm just going to go in with my regular black eyeliner. This one is from Douce, I think is how you pronounce it. But I like my liner super thick, and that's the way Harley Quinn seems to wear hers, so this is perfect. It's like we're, long lost sisters or something like that. I don't know. Okay, so now I'm going to go over it again with this Mally one. Yeah, I know it's probably not necessary, but that's what I'm going to do. You guys probably won't see a difference, but I do, so that's why I do this. And I do it on the other eye as well. Awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to go with this Luna Magic mascara primer. I really love this stuff. This stuff is bomb, guys. I'm definitely going to buy it again when I run out because I think this stuff is pretty awesome. I mean, one dip into the little thing and you can do both your eyes with it, which I think is pretty awesome. Now, this time I'm not going in with any colored mascara. I'm just going to use black, but I still find that it makes my eyelashes pop if I use this primer, so I use it every single time I do my eyes. Okay, so now I found this mascara. It's from the Douce brand, so I'm going to use it with you guys for the first time ever on this video, and I end up not liking it, guys. I was like, ugh, I have such a hard time finding a mascara that I like. So far, the only one that I found that I like is the Ico brand one that comes in a little blue container, but the only reason why I haven't bought more is because I want to use what I have first, and I have a lot. So now I'm going back in with this Moonchild highlighter palette, and I'm just going to try to lighten up the upper part of my lid so that it's not so bam in your face red and blue, because Harley Quinn does like a lighter look on top and it's more darker on the bottom. So I was kind of trying to go for what she was doing. It's an inspired by look, guys. It's not going to be exact, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this heart stamper thing that I got in my KL Fandom Monthly box. Of course, it has a heart on the end of it there for Harley Quinn. So I just dot that right on my face. And as you can see, the little circle outlines are on there, but I end up fixing it. And here's my final look. Boom! I decided to go with the red wig, guys, because I just thought that looked better. And as you can see, I fixed the heart. All I did was use some micellar water and a Q-tip to get rid of those lines, and it looks great. Guys, this is so super cute and so super fun. I love how it turned out. Honestly, I'm not mad at it at all. So I'm rocking my earrings from my KL Fandom Monthly box along with the necklace and the ring. And in the next clip, you're going to see me with the little pin on my shorts. I'm loving it. And here's my full outfit. Guys, remember, it's inspired by. There was no way I was wearing like super swimsuit looking sequins things. That wasn't happening. But the fishnets came from my Luxury Divas box. There's the pin from my KL Fandom Monthly. The boots, of course, I had. I don't even remember where I bought them from, but I thought they would be super cute. And then the belt I had from Walmart. I bought it like a long time ago for like $1.50. The baseball bat was something that Noah's dad had custom made, so I just used it as a prop. I am loving this. The little shorts came from Family Dollar, but yeah, guys, I think it turned out super cute. Okay, guys, so this was a lot of fun. Now, I would totally wear this look out except for the wig. Like, I'm totally good with the pigtails, but I'm just not good with the wig and pigtails because I have to work on the back of it. I don't know. It just looks really funny to me, so I wouldn't feel comfortable in public with the wig on. But honestly, guys, I used to wear pigtails when I was in grade school, literally every single day of my life, because my mom did not know how to fix my hair. It was so fuzzy and crazy. So she would literally put it in pigtails and braid it every single day. I'm good rocking pigtails, though. I'm not traumatized by that or anything, but it just doesn't look right. But I love the jewelry. The jewelry is fabulous. I would definitely be wearing this jewelry. I don't know if Harley Quinn wears a bracelet, honestly, but I do, so I put the bracelet on, whatever. And I was just going with the things that I had in my house, guys. I wasn't going to go buy something just to do this look, so I was just digging through some of the stuff that I had. I had those super awesome fishnets that I got from Luxury Divas, so I thought, yes, we're going to put those on. And believe it or not, I had those crazy black and white boots. I have some really crazy shoes, but I thought those ones would be perfect for this. I was so super stoked with how everything turned out. Now, granted, most people would not wear this look in their day-to-day life, but maybe it'll give you guys some ideas if you want a Halloween costume and you want to do Harley Quinn or something like that. You could maybe do something similar to what I did. I don't know. I would honestly wear the makeup out. It doesn't really bother me. I know a lot of people would probably be like, okay, that's really crazy. I'm a crazy kind of person, so I might tone it down a little bit and not have it so in your face like red and blue. But honestly, it doesn't really bother me that much, and I would totally wear the little heart too. I think it's adorable. So overall, guys, this was a lot of fun. I have more KLL fandom or just fandom looks in general coming up. I don't know when, guys. I have a crazy lineup because I want to try to make sure that I get like fall looks in and Christmas looks in and all this kind of stuff. So we'll have to see when I work in these fun looks. I don't know. We'll have to see what I can come up with. I'm really not sure yet. All right, guys, that's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Totally good with the pigtails. Love the pigtails. Think they're super cute. I used to wear pigtails literally every single day. Okay, blah, blah. Okay, guys, so that was a lot of fun. Love, love, love how everything turned out. Like, I am not a makeup artist. I'm not trying to, okay. Now, granted, I'm not a makeup artist. Clearly, I'm just having fun, giving you guys some ideas of things that you can do with your, who would wear this? Am I the only one? Okay, hold on.